Tiramisu. No, not tiramisu. Taramasalada. There you go. Fishy tiramisu. Hi, my name's Tiernan from Black Axe Mangal restaurant in London, and I'm going to show you how to make the Squid Ink flatbread. So we start with some smoked cod roe. So you can actually buy it online, you can buy it from most fishmongers nowadays. It's a more in-demand product now. Alternatively, if you can't be bothered, you can just buy some taramasalata. So put cod roe in, and then some bread soaked in milk. I'm going to go 1 clove of garlic and see how that feels. So literally just blending all this together. So sometimes it's pink, and sometimes it's orange. This one's orange. So we're just going to emulsify some oil into it. So it's just a neutral oil, one that's not flavoured, definitely not olive oil. It's important not to rush this, actually. To put too much oil in at once, it will never emulsify. So just a little bit at a time. The oil helps thicken it and you get that right consistency for dolloping on top of the bread. Just gonna grab a little taste. That's good. Add a bit more oil so it gets super thick, and then let it down with some lemon juice and some fish sauce to season. If you don't have fish sauce, you can just use salt. Done. That's it. Gonna taste it just to make sure. Yeah, perfect. So also that will set up more in the fridge. You can use it straight away, but if you let it set in the fridge, you get a really nice dolloping consistency. So, Squid Ink flatbread, one of the most Instagram dishes we've ever done at Black Axe Mangal. There you go, nice bit of ferment on the dough. Dust the pizza peel, and then we can start. Look at that bubble. Loading this up. So you make a little bun shape, cover it in flour, pat it out and just. So this is just 100 grams of dough for the Squid Ink. And they puff up nicely and cook super quick. So to get that lovely black sheen, you just put a little bit of clarified butter over the top. If you don't have clarified butter, you can use oil. Just make sure it's neutral oil that doesn't have much flavour. Little shake, yeah, they're gonna come off. Because they're stouter, you want to cook them a little bit lower temp or further away from the flame, just so they're not raw inside. Looking good. I like to get a little bit of char on these, but not too much. Transfer them onto here. Just to accommodate the egg, we're gonna make a little indentation. Just dab of clarified butter, just to stop the egg yolk from forming a skin when you put it back in the oven. You just wanna gently warm the yolk through. If you put them too far in, they're gonna overcook. So then, you get your taramasalata and you just dollop it on like that. Push it down and then do that, you get like a nice little, it's a bit like a conch shell, I think, sometimes. That's about as fancy it gets at Black Axe Mangal. And then a little bit of this. This is just blitzed up nori seaweed. And that's it. Squid Ink flatbread with smoked cod roe. So here we go, this is the bit everyone loves. Oh, oozy egg yolk. Who doesn't love a bit of oozy egg yolk? Yeah, I haven't equipped myself with any napkins either. This is not the most beard-friendly thing you're ever going to eat, but it. That's a Squid Ink flatbread with smoked cod roe. For the full recipe, go to Gozney.com. Let's do the James Bond.
Oh, here we go.
Here we go. Look at that. I'm going to get one of those installed at BAM.